What's up, all YouTube brothers? What you doing? No, how you doing? What you doing? Hey, what you doing too? I mean, come on now. Oh man, I slept, man, like there's no tomorrow last night. Oh my god, I love it when you go to sleep and you wake up in the same spot. I mean, the same freaking spot. An alarm wakes you up. I mean, wakes you up. I mean, you know, it doesn't matter if you're in Hawaii or whatever. You know, the alarm goes off. You know, vacation time's over. The end of your vacation is, you know, boom. Woke up to this freaking this racket. I got a new alarm clock. I don't know what the hell that thing makes. It's weird. It's a weird noise. It's got like 4 different, and they're all weird. Yeah. Why couldn't it be like birds? You know, chirping, right? I mean, that'd be cool. You know, or Beethoven. I don't know. Throw that in. What the hell? You know, I don't know, something happy. Frick, not this. I don't know what the hell it is, man. It's not even, I don't know. It's like computer generated. It's like a computer trying to wake you up, you know? Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop. You know, like, annoying. They probably, you know something? They probably designed that on purpose. To make it annoying and freaking wake you up. If it was too pleasant, you'd be like, oh, hell yeah. You know? Sleep right through the damn thing. You know? But no, you woke up to this annoying. My old alarm clock. No, it's not. Well, old alarm clock had birds. That's why I come up with the birds. Very nice. Very nice. Chirping. A flock of birds. Chirping. Of course, I never did wake up. I was always late. I snoozed the hell out of that thing. Shit, 4 or 5 snoozes later. Oh my god. Yeah. That's what it is. The more annoying, the faster you wake up. Those bastards. They think of everything. You know, don't push the damn button. God. Don't push the button. The Amazon button. Don't push it. Man, I still got more stuff coming from them, boy. They're taking over the world, man. Freaking Amazon. They're taking over the freaking world, boy. What they bought out? They bought out Twitch. That's what it was. They bought out Twitch, man. And yeah. Amazon. Taking over the world. I never heard anything about those droids that were supposed to bring you groceries. I heard nothing about that, man. I ordered, okay, back to the grocery thing on Amazon. One thing that sucks about it is sometimes you got to order from 3 different places. You get 3 different freaking bills. It comes to you 3 different freaking ways, man. One, they bring it, the fresh stuff, the canned stuff. I ordered a bunch of canned stuff. One can came from freaking Kansas. It was a can of turkey. I was going to try, you know, canned turkey. Oh, what the hell? It came by itself. One can showed up. No, it didn't even show up at the door. Actually, it never came that day. And it said delivered. I'm thinking, oh, God, here we go, right? So, I went in there and I put, you know, damaged or didn't receive or whatever. I pushed that in and it goes, reorder. I was like, well, that's freaking easy. The next morning, I opened the door, and there it was. Oh, yeah. 1, it either came at freaking 10 o'clock at night. Or 2, it delivered to the wrong door. Somebody brought it back up. I don't know, but it was there. So, canceled the order. But my other cans, right, vegetables and whatever, that came through another place, separate from the fresh. So your bananas, I don't want to talk about that. Your fresh fruit and whatever. And your meats were limited too. If you want to go get ribs, like, for example, you got to order that for somebody separate. And I can't even afford that. That's like, it was like $50 for the ribs and $20 for delivery. Okay, yeah, nah, I don't think those ribs are that good. Come on now. I can go to King Soopers and get them for like $20, like top of line. Like, nah, I don't think so. But yeah, so 3 different places. So, no. Hey, loyal YouTube brothers.